Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. So in today's video, I'm going to show you my favorite feature I like to use in TubeBuddy. So I'm inside my TubeBuddy account right now, and this is my favorite feature I like to use, Keyword Explorer. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how it works right quick. So I'm going to click on Keyword Explorer right over here, and this is going to pop up right here. So how you use is just put in your keyword and you click on Explore. Since my channel is all about making money online, I'm going to go ahead and put make money online fast. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on Explore. And as you can see, it lets you know if these keywords are good or not. It gives you an overall score. So right now, out of 100 is 53. So they have search volume, they have competition, and optimization. So my search volume for this is very good. The competition is good. And the optimization strength is excellent. So this will probably be a good title for me to use for my video. Or these are good keywords you can use to put in your description for your video. So this is my favorite tool that I like to use. Now, if you are on YouTube, you're trying to get views, you're trying to grow your channel, I think you ought to use TubeBuddy. So if you want to download TubeBuddy, just click the link in my description. Thank you.